Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing error 9068, it usually points to a network or app communication issue, meaning Prime Video can't properly load or stream content due to connection or device problems. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix error 9068 on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So error 9068 is usually network related, common on smart TVs, Fire TV, or mobile, often temporary and fixable because focus on just connection and app stability and it will be fixed. Okay, so check your internet connection, like test your Wi-Fi or mobile data, switch to a more stable network if needed because strong connection means stable streaming. You can also restart your router, like turn off router for 30 to 60 seconds and then turn it back on. It fixes most network issues. Otherwise, restart your device as a whole, like restart your phone, TV, or streaming device. Okay, this clears temporary glitches. You can also refresh Prime Video, like if you are using mobile, close and reopen the app. If you are using TV, exit and relaunch the app. This fixes temporary playback issues. You can also update the app, so go to your app store, update Prime Video. This fixes bugs and compatibility problems. You can also disable VPN or proxy if you are using any. So turn off VPN because VPN may block content loading. Okay, and you can also try another network, like switch to mobile data or different Wi-Fi. It helps confirm if network is the issue. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.